Today, we're diving deep into an engine that's nothing short of a legend. A masterpiece of engineering that screams with the soul of a Formula One car. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this engineering marvel. Here it is, the complete S85 V10. Look at the full engine block, the dual-cylinder heads, that complex intake manifold, and the beautifully crafted exhaust headers. But the real magic starts with these 10 individual throttle bodies, one for each cylinder. This is race car technology brought to the streets, designed for one thing: instant, razor-sharp response. Paired with BMW's high-pressure VANOS system for variable valve timing, this engine was a technological titan of its time. Let's talk numbers, because they are staggering. So what makes the S85 so special? It's all about the experience. The sound, first and foremost, is iconic. Below 4,000 RPM, it's a deep, muscular growl. But push it past 7,000 RPM, and it transforms into a piercing, high-pitched scream that echoes the V10 era of Formula One. It's a sound that sends shivers down your spine. This is the heart of its appeal: raw, unfiltered, analog emotion. In a world of muffled turbos and synthesized exhaust notes, the S85 is a symphonic reminder of what a performance engine should sound and feel like. It represents the peak of naturally aspirated engine development in a sedan, a final, glorious shout before the era of turbocharging took over. However, owning a legend isn't always easy, and the S85 is famous for its demanding personality. Let's be real about the drawbacks. First, the fuel consumption is monumental. We're talking about real-world figures anywhere from 15 to over 30 liters per 100 kilometers. This V10 is perpetually thirsty. Then there's the maintenance. It's not just expensive. It's complex. The S85 has a few well-known weaknesses that any potential owner needs to be aware of. They are not deal breakers, but they require attention and a healthy budget. This isn't your average daily driver. It's a high-strung performance machine that demands respect and proper care. Let's break down the 3 most common failure points. First, and most talked about, are the rod bearings. The tight tolerances and high-revving nature of this engine mean the bearings can wear prematurely, especially if oil changes are neglected or the wrong oil is used. Symptoms include a ticking noise from the bottom end, and if left unchecked, it can lead to catastrophic engine failure. The solution? Proactive replacement with stronger aftermarket bearings is a must for peace of mind. Next up are the throttle actuators. The S85 has 2 of these electronic units, one for each cylinder bank, controlling the 10 throttle bodies. Over time, the plastic gears inside them wear out and fail, triggering limp mode and a host of error codes. It's a matter of if, ta will fi. Thankfully, replacement units and even rebuild kits are available. But it's another significant cost to factor into ownership. Finally, we have the VANOS system. The high-pressure solenoids and the internal oil line can fail, leading running loss of power engine light. A failing VANOS system can sound like a diesel engine at idle. A noise often described as a box of marbles. Proper diagnosis is key, as it can be a costly repair. Keeping up with these items is crucial to enjoying the S85 experience without the financial heartache. So, with all these potential issues, is it still fast by today's standards? Absolutely. The E60 M5 could rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4.7 seconds. Its top speed was electronically limited to 250. But with the optional M-Drivers package, it could hit 305 kilometers per hour. But numbers on a page don't tell the whole story. The way this car delivers its power is what makes it feel so thrilling. The relentless pull from 5,000 RPM to the redline is an addictive experience that modern, turbocharged cars struggle to replicate. It's a different kind of fast one that demands your full attention and rewards you with an unparalleled sense of connection. This brings us to the big question. Why do enthusiasts in 2026 still pay premium prices for a high-maintenance sedan from the mid-2000s? The answer is simple. They don't make them like this anymore. In a world dominated by downsized, turbocharged engines, the S85 V10 offers an irreplaceable experience. Compare it to a modern twin-turbo V8. The new engine will likely be faster on paper, more efficient, and more reliable. The BMW S85 V10 is more than just an engine. It's a monument. It represents a brief, glorious moment in automotive history when a mainstream manufacturer had the audacity to put a Formula One-inspired, high-revving V10 into a 5-seat sedan. It's complex, it's thirsty, and it demands commitment from its owner. But the reward is one of the most visceral and unforgettable driving experiences you can find. It's a true legend, a final roar from the golden age of naturally aspirated engines, and its legacy as one of the greatest power plants ever made is forever secure. If you love that V10 demon scream and want more insane engine breakdowns, roars, and supercar action every day, subscribe to Supercar Vault right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below. Which V10 is your favorite engine of all time?